Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to set Baidu Maps to English, even though the app doesn't officially support language changes. So let's jump right in. First, you need to know this upfront. Baidu Maps does not have a built-in option to switch the language to English. The app is designed mainly for Chinese users, so you won't find a language toggle in the settings, but don't worry, there is a simple workaround that works really well. What you'll need is a screen translation app. And one of the best and easiest options is Instant Translate on Screen, which you can actually download from the Google Play Store. So go ahead and install the app, then open it. The app will ask for a few permissions. Make sure you allow them all, especially display over other apps. This is required so the translator can work on top of Baidu Maps. Once permissions are enabled, return to the Instant Translate app and tap Start. And when prompted, choose the entire screen. You can skip notification permissions if you don't want them. Now comes the most important part. Open Baidu Maps. You should see a small floating translation icon on the side of your screen, or this one right over here. So what you want to do is you want to tap this icon and select Global Translate. And as you can see, instantly Baidu Maps will be translated into English. The translation isn't perfect, but it's more than enough to understand menus, buttons, locations, and navigation options. And that's about it. That's the easiest way to use Baidu Maps in English, even without the official language support. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!